The rise of Western economic power was once illustrated by the colonialist phrase, "The sun rises in the east, but sets in the west." However, the fact that China is beating Germany for the title of world's largest exporter shows this may be the dawn of a new day. The latest development was somewhat unexpected, as last year saw a continuing decrease in China's trade as the global economic downturn led to a fall for demand in its products. However, in the last few weeks of the year, there has been a far greater rise than forecasters had predicted. Foreign exports shot up by 17.7%, amounting to over $130 billion in the December of 2009. Like the rest of the world, China too had been affected by the global economic downturn. However, its exports were not pulled out of the financial quagmire by a small group of oligarchic corporations. In fact, many of China's producers are low-cost manufacturers who assemble equipment such as iPods using foreign components. The latest figures are considered an indication that those manufacturers have proved resilient in the downturn and are continuing to make a profit. However, like most prestigious titles, the label of world's largest exporter comes with certain strings attached. Analysts say the increase in export figures is likely to lead to renewed complaints from China's trading competitors that its currency is deliberately undervalued. Led by the US, many countries say it is unfair that China has been able to make its goods cheaper by keeping the yuan weak. However, Prime Minister Wen Jiabao has taken a firm stance on the subject. He says China will not yield to foreign demands that revalue its currency. With the increase in globalization, countries that are not even on the same continent seem to be running together in an economic race. Germany was the leader for yesterday, China for today, and as for tomorrow, only time will tell. Anam Munir, Dawn News.